Children, today we will see adding 3-digit and 4-digit numbers, that is without carrying over. First we will see examples of adding 3-digit number. Here one example is given, 225 and 122. Children, for the solution first we will arrange the number from 1 to 100, that is ones, tens and 100. Serially we will arrange it. Here 2, 2, 5. 5 is in one place, 2 is in tens place and 2 is in 100 place. The same way we will arrange 122. 1 will be in 100 place, 2 will be in tens place and 2 will be in ones place. So when we will add, first we will add the ones. In ones, first number is 5 and second number is 2, that is 7. 7 ones, only ones we have added. Now we will add the tens. 2 plus 2, that is 4 tens. Again we will add the hundreds, that is 2 plus 1, then we will get 3 hundreds. So the sum will be 347. Here you can see. Like that also you can take 2 and 3 number for the calculation. Now we will see addition of 4-digit number in the same way. Here you see the number is 2362 and 4012. So for this solution first we will arrange like this: ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Then accordingly we will write the numbers. Here you can see 2 is in 1000 place, 3 is in 100 place, 6 is in tens place and 2 is in ones place. Like that only, the same way we will arrange 4012. Then for addition, first we will add the ones place. So 2 plus 2, that is 4 ones. Then 6 plus 1, that is 7 tens. Second is tens place, so we will add the tens place. Then third is our 100 place, that is the numbers are 3 plus 0, so 300, that is in hundreds place. Then in 1000 place what all numbers are there? 2 and 4. 2 plus 4, that is 6000. So after adding from 1 to 1000 we will get the sum. The sum is 6374. Like that also you can do some more example. Children, now we will see our exercise. Here you see first question, find the sum. Already here the questions are arranged in place wise. Here you say ones, tens and 100. Only we have to add it. First, according to our example, first we will add the ones, then tens, then hundreds. So here 6 plus 2, 8. 1 plus 5, 6. 2, there is nothing. In second number in 100 place, so 2 will come here. Suppose there is 0. So 2 plus 0, 2. So the answer of this 2 number are 268. Like that only children we will do rest of the questions. So for this second number, what it is question? The question is asking arrange column wise and add. So you have to do it in your copy. So you see first question how it is given: arrange column wise and add. The numbers are 122 and 360. For the solution, first we will arrange like this from ones to 100. Then the numbers we will arrange serially: ones, tens and 100. 1 will be in 100 place, 2 will be in tens place and 2 will be in ones place. The same way the second number we will arrange: 3 will be in 100 place, 6 will be in tens place and 0 will be in ones place. So first we will add the ones. 2 plus 0, then we will get 2, that is in ones place. Then 2 plus 6, that is in tens place. 2 plus 6, that is 8. 8 will be in tens place. Then now we will add the 100 place, that is 1 plus 3. So sum is 4. So the total sum of 122 plus 360 is 482. Like that only children, you have to arrange this and complete. Thank you children. Have a nice day.